Next question number 2. In figure, find tan P minus cot R. So this is the figure. Angles we can mark here P, Q, R, and R is the 90 degree. Okay, PQ, which is given 12 centimeter. This is 13 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. We have to find tan P minus cot R. Okay. So if you want to calculate tan P minus cot R, first you should calculate tan P, then you should calculate cot R. Correct? So in this figure, if any of the sides are not given, okay, you should find out those sides. I think QR is not given, so by using these two sides, by applying Pythagoras theorem, this hypotenuse square 13 square minus 12 square, you can find out QR. That you should do yourself. Okay, so I am calculating tan P. Tan P. How can we calculate tan P? What is the equation for finding tan A? Side opposite to angle A first. So here it is angle P. So side opposite to angle P. Side opposite to angle P is here QR divided by side adjacent to angle P. So side adjacent to angle P is PQ. So QR divided by PQ, we will get 12 divided 5 divided by 12. This is the answer. Next we have to calculate cot R. Cot R is equal to, what is the equation for finding cot R? Just reverse of this equation. So side adjacent to angle R. This is angle R. Side adjacent to angle R is QR divided by side opposite to angle R. Side opposite to angle R is PQ. So QR divided by PQ. We will get here 5 divided by 12. Actually what we have to calculate here, tan P minus cot R. What is tan P? 5 divided by 12 minus, what is cot R here? 5 divided by 12. 5 divided by 12 minus 5 divided by 12. The same number we are subtracting, so it comes here 0. Okay. Next question number 3. Question number 3. In sin A, if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So sin A, which is given in the question here, A, B, C, I am marking here. So we can take, let ABC be a right angled triangle, right angled at the point B. So here it is making 90 degree. Sin A, which is given, what is sin A? 3 divided by 4. So I am applying the equation. If you want to calculate sin A, what is the equation? Side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse. Which side is opposite to angle A? This is angle A. Opposite side is BC divided by hypotenuse is this one, AC. So BC by AC we got here, which is equal to 3 by 4. So what is BC and AC? BC is equal to 3 centimeter or whatever it is, we don't know. 3K. Okay, I am taking it as 3K because it is ratio. So 3K and 4K we can take two sides. So first I am taking, let BC be 3K, like this 3K, and AC will be 4K, multiple of 3 and multiple of 4. Okay, where K is a positive integer. So now we can calculate AB because we have here, this is 3K, this is 4K. So I am applying the Pythagoras theorem here. We know that this hypotenuse square AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So we will get here AC is 4K. 4K the whole square is equal to AB. We have to calculate AB square plus BC. What is BC? 3K the whole square. So I am calculating here 4K square is equal to 16K square is equal to AB square, writing it as AB square plus 3K the whole square is equal to 3 square, 9K square. So we will get here AB square is equal to 16K square. This minus 9K square comes on the left hand side. So minus 9K square. 16K square minus 9K square. We will get here AB square is equal to 7K square. So we will get AB is equal to root of this one. Root of 7K square means root 7K. Okay, now you got here, this is root 7 Okay, what we have to calculate here, actually we have to calculate cos A and tan A. So if we want to calculate anything, we should know all these three sides. Now we calculate these three sides. So I am calculating cos A. What is the equation for finding cos A? Side adjacent to angle A, which is, this is angle A, side adjacent to angle A is AB, divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is this side, AC. So AB by AC, which is equal to, what is AB here? Root 7k. Root 7k divided by AC is here 4k. So you can cancel this k, you will get root 7 divided by 4. First answer. Next we have to calculate tan A. What is the equation for finding tan A? Side opposite to angle A. Side opposite to angle A is BC, divided by hypotenuse. Sorry, tan A we are calculating. So side opposite to angle ABC divided by side adjacent to angle A, that is AB. So BC divided by AB. BC, what is BC here? 3k, and AB is root 7k. So 3k divided by root 7k. K we can cancel. So 3 divided by root 7 will be the final answer. Okay. Next question, question number 4. Do it as homework.